When most people think of AI, they typically think of ChatGPT and other mainstream uses of AI. But what if AI could do a lot more than this? What if AI could help us make decisions and take actions without any sort of human intervention? That's exactly what AI is doing for us today, and that's what I'm going to talk about. My name is Eric Kimberly. I'm the CEO of Third Stage Consulting. We're an independent consulting firm that helps clients throughout the world reach the third stage of digital transformation success. And increasingly over time, we're seeing a lot more AI work with our clients. And one of the common buzzwords you may have heard of in this space is Agentic AI. By now, most of you are probably familiar with AI, maybe use ChatGPT or Copilot or Baird, any of the AI tools that are out there that are being commonly used. But what's really interesting is that businesses are starting to see an interesting use of AI in a newer category called Agentic AI. And what Agentic AI does that's different than regular AI or the traditional AI that you might be familiar with is that it can make decisions and it can take action without any sort of human intervention. So it really automates workflows, decision-making, and allows the technology to operate independently of humans. And this is a really groundbreaking technology because it's going to automate and change the world as we know it, specifically in areas like software development, customer service, predictive maintenance. You think about a factory shop floor and being able to use Agentic AI to solve problems before something breaks or before there's a problem on the shop floor. So there's a lot of different ways that Agentic AI is going to completely transform the business world as we know it. So in today's video, I want to talk about what Agentic AI is, share with you some use cases of how it's being used to automate businesses and improve businesses, and also talk about some of the risks and considerations you could keep in mind. Before we dive too far into today's content, I want to share a little bit of information about Third Stage Consulting and who we are. Third Stage Consulting Group is an independent technology agnostic provider of consulting services to help clients through their digital transformations. We help with digital strategy and software selection, as well as implementation planning. And during implementation, we provide services related to program management, organizational change, business process improvement, as well as enterprise architecture. These are just some of the services we provide. We have offices in North America as well as Europe and Asia Pacific. So if you'd like to learn more, I encourage you to check out our resource center, which includes a number of resources that will help you through your digital transformation. And you can access that for free using the QR code here or the links below. You can also reach out to me directly if you'd like to discuss your digital transformation and brainstorm ideas on how to improve where you're headed on your journey. Now let's jump back into today's content. So let's start with what Agentic AI is. Agentic AI is a tool that can set goals, it can take actions and make decisions, and ultimately do follow-up workflows without any sort of human intervention. So whereas we used to use AI to interact with and ask it questions and have it produce stuff for us under our direction, Agentic AI is totally different in that it's using AI to replace humans in the whole decision-making process. For example, if inventory stock is running low in a warehouse, Agentic AI could make the decision to reorder more of that particular product. I'm going to get into a lot more use cases later in this video, but that's essentially what it is. Another way to think about Agentic AI is if you compare it to driving cars. Traditional AI is like GPS. It's giving you technology, it's giving you information that the human can use to make decisions, whereas Agentic AI would be more like a self-driving car. It's making decisions, it's turning, it's picking up external data, it's responding to external data, it's continuously learning, and it's continuously optimizing how it drives the car. So that's really the difference if you think about that analogy, the difference between GPS and a self-driving car. That's the best way to think about the difference between Agentic AI and traditional AI. Now, there are a few different capabilities of Agentic AI that are worth noting. They're important to understand as it relates to this concept. One is gathering and processing data, looking to internal data and external data and learning from that data, processing that data. Second is decision-making. It can take that external and internal information that's gathering and processing, and it can make decisions just as a human would based on the information it's collecting. Third is action execution. Based on what it learns from the data it's gathered, it can now take action that it deems best based on all the inputs it has gathered so far. And then finally is feedback. It continuously learns from its own feedback. So it's continuously gathering more data. It might make some mistakes along the way, and it learns from those mistakes to where it can continuously get better at making decisions and taking actions as a follow-up. So this is a high-level overview of Agentic AI, But the next question is, what are some real-world examples of how agentic AI is being used to improve businesses throughout the world? And that's what I'll talk about next. There are a whole host of examples of how agentic AI can and is already being used by organizations throughout the world. One example is in supply chain management. You think about all the disruptions that can happen to a supply chain, whether it's related to weather, whether it's related to labor union strikes or macroeconomic factors, geopolitical issues. There's a lot of different things that can disrupt a global supply chain. And what agentic AI can do and is doing for some supply chains is making decisions based on information it gathers. If it gathers information about a potential hurricane in a certain part of the world that disrupts a route of a ship that's shipping product, it can reroute that ship and make that decision on its own without human intervention. In the past, we would have relied on tribal knowledge and human intervention to reroute that ship to go around the storm, but now agentic AI can do that for us. Another example is AI conversational assistance, much like a chatbot. If you ever go to a website where you're chatting with someone through the chatbot on the support website, agentic AI can actually do a lot of that heavy lifting from a customer support perspective without needing human intervention. So if you have a product you'd like to return, it can process that return for you. If you have a quality issue or a problem, it can answer those questions for you or solve those problems for you. And it can take actions based on what it is you tell it and based on the information it's gathered and learned throughout its history being an agentic AI bot within that customer support realm. Another example or use case of how agentic AI is being used is in manufacturing and warehouses. When combined with robotics, agentic AI can direct robots to get inventory at certain times and take inventory to certain places based on information it's gathered. It can also optimize the flow of goods throughout a warehouse. It can also identify potential bottlenecks on a factory floor. It can also change a production run to accommodate a spike in demand and react to some of the information it's gathering from the outside world as well as within the four walls of the manufacturing shop floor. There's a lot of different ways that agentic AI is being used in manufacturing and warehouses, especially when you combine it with robotics and other types of Industry 4.0 solutions. So these are just a handful of examples of how agentic AI is being used to make businesses better. But I'd love to hear from you. Are you seeing any specific use cases or examples of where agentic AI is being used, or do you have any ideas on how you might use agentic AI within your organization or another person's organization? I'd love to hear your comments in the chat below and see what your thoughts are. But now that we have a better understanding of some examples of how agentic AI is being used, let's talk about the risks and other considerations that need to be taken into account. Despite all the upside potential of agentic AI, there are downside risks, both ethically and in other ways too. First is the basic fundamental question of how much human oversight should agentic AI have? At what point should humans intervene? At what point do we let agentic AI just run free? What parameters do we put in place? Those are all questions that the world hasn't quite figured out yet because they're still getting used to what agentic AI can do for them. There's also bias and errors. Despite the power of AI, it's still not perfect. It still has inaccurate information. It still has hallucinations. It can still have biases because it's collecting information from humans who are inherently biased. One of the best examples I can think of how AI bias might affect a business in a bad way is discriminating against certain employees or potential employees in the recruiting process. And it could be that it was trained in a biased way and therefore it's discriminating unintentionally against candidates that might be applying for a certain job. There's also security risks, and this is something that's not talked about often, but agentic AI can expose your organization to exponentially more cybersecurity risks. The reason being is that even if your core systems are completely locked down and you've got the tightest security in place possible, the agentic AI bots are now new potential entry points for cybersecurity attacks so that they can get into or attack one of your agentic AI bots. That could be a backdoor to get into some of your other core systems because your AI bot is integrated to those solutions, presumably. So that's something that needs to be considered as well, especially with the proliferation of cybersecurity issues as it is even before AI became a thing. And then finally, there's regulatory challenges. It's still largely to be determined how or if government entities throughout the world are going to regulate AI. How much are they going to allow AI to, for example, displace workers? How much are they going to allow AI to make decisions that may or may not be in the best interest of society? These are all things that are years away from being resolved, but it's something to be aware of as you think about your AI strategy going forward. So the future of agentic AI is that it's looking increasingly like agentic AI is going to become a coworker for most of us. A lot of us may have an agentic AI companion that we work with. In fact, I think Elon Musk is predicting that there will be more AI bots out there than there are humans in the world in the not too distant future. And that's a pretty interesting thought. Agentic AI is also going to disrupt digital transformations and the way we think about digital transformations. We used to think of digital transformation as prepackaged commercial off-the-shelf software built and configured a certain way. You put it in and you just use it for the next 10 to 20 years. Agentic AI is a totally different mindset. It's a totally different way of thinking about digital transformation. And quite frankly, it opens up a limitless world of possibilities in how you might transform your business in a way that no prepackaged ERP or CRM or supply chain system ever could. And then perhaps the million-dollar question, the biggest question we all have is, what does this mean to us as human workers? Are we going to lose our jobs? Should we be afraid? I'd love to hear feedback on that, by the way. Or will agentic AI just make our jobs easier? Maybe it won't displace us as workers, but it might just make our jobs easier. It might make us more effective at our jobs. So there's a lot of unknown risks and ethical considerations we need to work through as a society. We're not quite there yet, but the good news is that AI, in the meantime, agentic AI can provide some pretty significant capabilities. I'm curious to hear from you, though. What do you think the future of agentic AI holds? How do you see agentic AI being used in organizations, whether it's yours or your peers' organizations? I'd love to hear your feedback in the comments below. And if you'd like to learn more about AI and AI strategy, we've developed a guide to AI strategy that you can read for free on our website. It's packed full of information about how to define an AI strategy, the different types of AI tools at your disposal, and how to move forward and define a roadmap for deploying AI in a smart way within your organization. You can download that guide by scanning the QR code right here or go to the links below. So I hope you found this information useful and hope you have a great day. I keep wanting to make sure I don't trip. We typically think of, for example, if stock is running low in an inventory, any sort of human invention. I was trying to do it without looking at the notes. But what if AI could do a lot more than ChatGPT? Like